Imagine picking up two boxes of cereal from the shelf. One has a clear label that says non-GMO and the other says contains GMO ingredients. You might feel confused, unsure, or even worried, especially if you don't fully understand what GMOs are or how they affect your health. As you can see right here, I have two images, one with a clear label saying non-GMO, another one not clearly specifying that it has GMO. This actually is what made me interested in this topic after noticing how many of our everyday food contains GMOs without clear labeling. I wanted to learn more about this possible risk and why some people are calling for a national ban. The debate over genetically modified foods is growing. In the United States, understanding both sides is important to make an informed choice and participate in discussions about our food system. I will discuss the primary argument for and against banning genetically modified foods for human consumption. Arguments in favor of banning genetically modified foods usually focus on health, the environment, and transparency. Our first major argument is that genetically modified foods may pose health risks to humans. Some scientists and health groups worry about these GMOs and how they could cause allergies, digestive problems, or even long-term illnesses. GMOs are still being studied and there is not enough long-term data to say that they are completely safe. Our second major argument is that GMOs hurt the environment. Genetically modifying crops often require special chemicals which can lead to superweeds or even stronger pests. Genetically modified foods may harm insects that are useful like bugs, butterflies, bees, which are necessary for our pollination of crops. The third major argument is that people deserve to know what's in their food. Without proper labeling, it's difficult for people to choose whether or not to eat the GMOs. A federal ban, or at least clear labeling, would help our consumers make informed and safe decisions about what they eat. Now that we've looked at the argument in favor of banning genetically modified foods, let's consider the opponent's viewpoint. Arguments against banning genetically modified foods focus on science, food supply, and the economic concerns. The first major argument is that GMOs help feed the world. Genetically modified crops can be grown faster, in more places, and with higher yields. They can help solve hunger in poor places or overpopulated areas. The second major argument is that there is no solid scientific proof that GMOs are harmful. Many scientists or organizations, including the FDA and World Health Organization, have said GMOs are safe. Removing GMOs might actually make food less nutritious or more expensive. The third major argument is that banning GMOs could harm farmers or the economy. Farmers who rely on genetically modified seeds may lose income or face crop shortages. A ban could also lead to food shortages or higher prices at the grocery store. We have explored both sides of the debate over banning genetically modified foods in the United States. Supporters worry about their health, environmental harm, and a lack of labeling, while the opponents say genetically modified foods are safe, necessary, and economically friendly. Like choosing between two cereal boxes, one label GMO and the other one's not. This debate challenges us to think about what we are really eating and what role the government should play in protecting our health and in the food system.